Adar Abhinandan Abhar, Namaskar Adab Sat Sri Akal. Hello and a very good morning to all the ladies and gentlemen. I'm Deepak, Dharra, your English trainer, and I'm back with a new video. As you know, coronavirus has become a great dread for everybody in the world. It has killed lakhs of people, and lakhs of people are suffering from this virus, this COVID-19. As you know, it is very lethal. Our hearts are with those people who are suffering from this COVID-19, and this is very lethal virus. And parents are not able to keep their children at homes. You know, these little innocent minds have a lot of questions. They are thinking that why their parents are not allowing them to go outside, why they are not allowing to go with their friends to play. So let's ask to the little teeny tot that what kind of questions she has in her mind. Is she aware of this or not? So is lockdown scary or not? So let's ask to her. Okay, so beta, what's your name?
My name is Chavi.
Do you know what is coronavirus?
Coronavirus is dangerous virus that can kill us.
Okay, very good. How to prevent its spread, do you know?
Yes, it spread by touching, coughing, sneezing, and even breathing.
Do you know how can we prevent this virus to be spreading?
Yes, it is very easy. Wash your hand with soap and water. Cover your mouth while coughing and sneezing. Don't touch your mouth, nose, eyes, or face.
Okay, very good.
Keep distant from each other at least 6 feet.
Very good. You can see in this stressful environment and how this little teeny tot is giving answers, and she is very aware of it. Don't worry, everything is gonna be okay. So beta, have you heard of quarantine?
Yes, sick people are kept in isolation.
Okay.
And when they act healthy, they come back.
Okay, very good. So as you can see, even small kids are very aware of it. So don't worry, if you follow the preventive measures, we can easily combat this, we can easily overcome it. So getting this virus doesn't mean death. So everything's gonna be okay. So stay calm.